This is a quick update about the recent ZWO camera driver error. This error is actually making the ZWO camera to stay invisible in the system or undetected in the system. What is happening is that due to recent update from the Windows, this Windows Defender is actually completely blocking the driver made by ZWO for the ZWO camera. And now the challenge is the camera is staying invisible or undetected in the system, and the SharpCap or N.I.N.A or other imaging softwares is failing to detect or make the connection with the camera. Now this error was going on since more than a week, and roughly many people globally has faced the issue. So recently the ZWO has came up with the solution for it with the latest version of the driver of ZWO camera. But there is a catch, or you can say confusion. To make it clear, let me take you to my computer screen. Here you can see that we are on the ZWO official website, and in the official website we are on the camera driver option. In that we have this download button that you can see. Right below the download button it says version 3.27. Now the problem is the Windows Defender is actually blocking this particular version 3.27. so we need a latest version of this driver, that is version 3.28. and you might get confused that if you click on the download button you will get version 3.27, but it is not true. If you click on this download button you are getting this version 3.28, which is very good news. So now you can simply install and enjoy your lovely ZWO camera and have clear skies. Thank you for watching.